I have a clear vision that I want to be an aviation engineer. That's why I choose this program, and I know like this will help me to succeed in my life. I came from India about 2 years ago, and when I was sitting in the plane, I was continuously thinking like how it's possible for a huge machine to fly in the sky. And then I talked to my uncle and aunt. They were like, you know what, you are pretty close to the airplane factory. And then I went to the family Boeing tour, and then I had the great idea in my mind that yes, this is my future and this is what I want to be. This is a great class. This is a fun class. This class is more about technology. They are working on drilling, riveting. That's we are learning, and that's we will use when we go in Boeing or in any aeronautical company. There are few girls in this field, and we have only 3 girls in this class, including me. I think girls are the future of aviation, and I will prove that for sure.